Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a digital business card in under 5 minutes. So here we are going to use this Blink platform. This is one of the greatest platform I ever seen to create a business card, and you can use their premium plan. Also they have this plan. As you can see in the premium plan, you will find out this kind of a feature than compared to this one. This is the feature, but you have this free forever plan, which is like good to go for everyone. So I will use this free forever tool. So how you can start your work? So it is really easy. You just need to be click over that place, just create my card, or you can go with this create my card button. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then actually you will get this option to create your first card. I will upload my profile picture over that place. Let's drag and drop, and here I will find out where is my picture. Let's see. Okay, in here this is my picture and it already been uploaded. You can upload more good images if you have. Then I will click to the save, and then I will upload my cover photo also. It will take times to upload completion, so I will upload cover photo also. Then I will click over that place and I will click this one, and it will upload it here. I will just click to the save, and here you can actually see that it already been uploaded the images. So here I will give my name. So my name is John Burger, and here I will click to the save. Once I click over here, and the name already been added, you can add your job title. I'm a content creator, and here actually you can see it already been added. Then I will add department script writer, and click to the save. Company name YouTube, then click to the save. Like I'm providing my all information over here. 15, like I got winner. Then I will add accreditation also, Bangladesh, and I'll just click to the save, and it already been added. And you can provide an headline also. The headline will be something like born to create, and I will click to the save. And here you can provide your Gmail address, like give your Gmail address for personal, then level. This is my Gmail address, and I will click to the save. Once I click over here, it already been added. Then you can add phone number over that place. If you feel you just need to be added here, and it will be completely added over that place. So here you can actually add all these necessary links and your important documents over that place. Then you can add PayPal also over that place. It's really amazing to create your digital card with this way. And once you find out that your digital card creation already been done, and now you are ready to share this card with your colleagues, with your client, with your customers, so you just need to click over here next. Once you click over here, they will ask you to create an account. So here actually you can see they are provide like create a Blink account. I already have an account, that's why I'll click to the continue with Google. Here I just need to be continue with the Google, and then I will select my Gmail address, and then here I will click to the continue. Once I click over here, then it will redirect us to that place, create a Blink account. So I think it is time to we took next step, create a free account to customize your card even further or add new cards for any occasions. So here as you can see, your card creation has been done. Now it is your QR code. If you scan this code, you will get this card over your phone. This is the easiest way for access your card. You can download the Blink app by scanning the QR code below by clicking the link. So I will click the dashboard, and here actually you can see this is our card. This is the easiest way to make a card over that place. And remember, the platform name is blink.me. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and if you feel this video was little bit informative, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic. Thank you for watching.